did it! Look, Doran, a doorway.
I suspect we all know what lies beyond that passage. Now, I'm afraid I must leave you. At least for a time.
You're not coming in with us.
If the Snidgets are here, the herd will want to see the truth of it for themselves. Alec especially. Go on without me. I will rejoin as soon as I'm able.
Camps always felt oppressive. It's hard to explain, but the feeling was palpable. At least to me. The sense I get here is of safety.
Confringo.
Quite the opposite of the poacher camps.
Revelio. Confringo.
I'll wager this isn't the dead end it seems to be. But how to get
Accio.
through?
Wingardium Leviosa. Leviosa. Accio. Wingardium Leviosa. Accio. Wingardium Leviosa. Accio. Wingardium Leviosa. Levioso! Accio! Wingardium Leviosa. Incendio. Glacius.
Of course! How clever! Look at this place.
Little puppy squeaking. Forgot how to cover your tracks.
What was that?
Not Doran, that's for certain.
No!
Crucial.
Right there.
Potato. Stupid one.
Like a baby. Don't finish what we started. I'm back for more.
Avada Kedavra.
Ready your wands. The fight is truly just begun.
Stop potato. Goodness, you made a mistake.
Imperial.
Time to see. Get over here. Take a good go. Oh, I'm gonna win.
Ah, there you go.
Is that the best you got? You'll feel that.
Incendio.
Let me have it.
What is this? Confringo. Not just
Potato. Stupefy. I think that was all of them.
Are the two of you unharmed? I had hoped to return before it was...
Confringo.
We're fine, but we
Glacius.
hadn't got here when you did. I led them here, Doran.
I am glad to have the... I now believe all that Doran told me. Finish your work here.
Revelio.
There they are. Now,
all that remains is to break the charm.
You want us to... I only ever wanted to see them safe, which they are. You should do it. Merlin, they're lovely. But what happens now? They can't care for themselves, and surely once word gets out of their reappearance...
No harm will come to them. The centaurs will see to that. You have my word.
Thank you, Doran, for helping us to find them and to fight for them.
It is you who deserves the merit, child. You did what the poachers would never have. Remember that.
You both fought bravely today. Allow us to carry the mantle from here.
If it's all right, Doran, I think I'd like to stay behind and spend a little more time with the Snidgets.